Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and so good to have you here. And today I'm going to tell you the 3 things you can use if you have sensitive skin or sensitized skin. And if you don't know the differences between sensitive skin and sensitized skin, the sensitive skin is something you're born with it, and sensitized skin, that is something that can happen to you due to many reasons, like say pollutants, then UV damage, then if you use a skincare product that doesn't suit your skin, that reacts on your skin. And now let's talk about the 3 things that can help you out with this. And I have to start with this one. This is a new moisturizer from Bioderma. This is the Sensibio Defensive Bridge. I love this one. There are moisturizers, sometimes they feel enough hydrating but not nourishing, and there are moisturizers that can nourish our skin, but when it comes to hydration they don't feel enough and our skin look dull and greasy. But this one, it has this perfect balance because it has ingredients like glycerin, then carnauzen, which can hydrate and moisturize the skin. It also has ingredients like mannitol, xylitol, then ramonose, which can be really good for skin barrier. Like you can see it here, the texture of this moisturizer is super nice. It soothes the dry skin, it strengthens the skin's moisture barrier. This is a fragrance-free formula, and Bioderma, they thought about the people with sensitive skin, sensitized skin, and how a moisturizer can help there. This moisturizer is something that is gonna help you when your skin is feeling vulnerable, and also it's gonna help your skin to get stronger so it can defend itself. It's gonna make your skin barrier stronger because it has all the ingredients that can really support the skin barrier. So in the process your skin is gonna get healthier. Since it has really good texture, so it works really well as makeup base as well. Even it works really good under sunscreen, doesn't peel off, doesn't feel like heavy. Now let me tell you how to make a routine and how to use this moisturizer for the maximum benefit of your skin. So I'm gonna show you a very simple 3-step skincare routine. So the first step would be to use a first cleanser to remove makeup, dirt, sunscreen, and for that I recommend to you this Bioderma Sensibio micellar water. This micellar water has very gentle formulation, but it is effectively removes makeup, sunscreen, dirt without tonguing or pulling. The clear skin is just few swipes away with this one, and it has this very nice formulation which can be perfect for sensitive skin, sensitized skin, and it also feels quite soothing and hydrating on the skin. But if you have like extremely dry skin, you want something like on the more moisturizing side, then you can try Bioderma's Sensibio Lait. It is the cleansing milk, and I am in love with this cleansing milk. This is very creamy, yet it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It takes away makeup, sunscreen, dirt without making the skin feel greasy. And the second step would be to use a foaming cleanser, and for that I recommend this one. This Bioderma's Sensibio Gel Cleanser is perfect for if you're looking for no nonsense and soothing second cleanser. It cleanses the skin without drying and it foams well. And this is what I like about Bioderma's products, they don't feel stripping or harsh on the skin, and yet they're quite effective. And when your skin is like already damaged, like if you have weak skin barrier, you cannot sacrifice your moisture barrier anymore. You gotta use the formulations that work, yet they need to work gently. They cannot be harsh on the skin, and their Bioderma's formulations are perfect. After rinsing this cleanser, you're gonna go in with the moisturizer. Their Sensibio Defensive Bridge again is very nice for improving the quality of your skin. It also protects the skin against the dairy aggressions that can cause skin dryness, irritation. So your skin is gonna be well nourished and well protected, and this should be the goal for like healing the skin. So yeah, that's all you need, because when you have sensitive skin or sensitized skin, minimalistic routine works the best for you. And also don't forget to use sunscreen during the daytime. Bioderma, they have really good options when it comes to sunscreens, and for that Bioderma has really good tinted and non-tinted sunscreen options. Their photoderm aqua fluid tinted sunscreen is the best tinted sunscreen I have ever used. This is so lightweight, it feels hydrating, it gives nice coverage, doesn't leave any white cast, and yeah, my favorite thing ever. And if you have a dry skin, you need extra nourishment, you can go for their photoderm crèam sunscreen. It protects the skin against UV rays while nourishing the skin and leaves no white cast. So yeah, that's all, and you can use my code SHAMAPTI5 to get 5% off on Bioderma products on their website. And yeah, I really hope you found this to be helpful, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.